Welcome, Math Masters! A new scroll has arrived at the dojo gates. Today, you'll begin training to earn the Addition and Subtraction badge. 3 teams traveled to the National Martial Arts Tournament. Team A traveled 3,487 miles. Team B traveled 1,863 miles. And Team C traveled 2,965 miles. The teams reported a total of 6,105 miles. Use an algorithm to check their work. If the total is wrong, find and explain their mistake. How many more miles do they need to reach 15,000? Study well. The path to mastery begins now.
Welcome back! Your first challenge of Unit 2 is ready. I have a strong feeling we'll need our knowledge of multi-digit addition and subtraction strategies to conquer it. Have your guided notes ready? Training starts now. We know tons of strategies for solving addition and subtraction problems. Since we're working with multi-digit numbers in our challenge today, the addition and subtraction algorithms will work best. That's the step-by-step process used to add or subtract multi-digit numbers. Before we get started, let's review how to use this strategy. Pause here to solve these 2 problems using the addition and subtraction algorithms in your guided notes. Don't forget to regroup if needed. After lining up the digits, adding down each place value, and regrouping 1100s for 1,000, we get a sum of 8,197. To find the difference, we start back at the ones place and use subtraction. Since we can't take 6 away from 0, we regroup 110 for 10 ones, then subtract. That's 5,034. Your regrouping skills are looking sharp. Now that we're warmed up, we can move on to the next part of our training, word problems. With any word problem, we start by breaking down what we know and what we're trying to figure out. Wait, do you notice something strange about this problem? Yeah, there's no numbers or a question. Mia must have forgotten to include them. That's okay. We can still figure out how to solve it by thinking about what's happening in the story. Sensei Lee is tracking the number of minutes his students spend in training sessions. Last month, they completed minutes of practice. This month, they completed more. What information do we already know? We know students completed some minutes of practice last month and more minutes this month. And what do we want to find out? The problem tells us Sensei is tracking training session minutes, so he'd want to know how many minutes his students practiced in all. Hey, that matches the problem, and we've got numbers now. Which operation should we use to find the total? Addition. Adding the 2 numbers gives us total minutes. If we subtracted, we'd get less minutes than students practiced on either day. Not helpful here. Now we can line up the digits and solve using the addition algorithm. Pause here to find the total minutes students practiced. Did you need to regroup anything? 10 ones for one 10 and 10 thousands for one 10,000. Yes, that gives us a total of 22,876 minutes. Excellent! What about this one? Mia wrote the numbers and question this time. It says, Nora is preparing for a belt test. She wants to complete 9,000 punches in a week. She's already done 6,432. How many more does she need to reach her goal? Okay, what do we know? So far, Nora has completed some punches, but she wants to complete exactly 9,000. Think about what's happening in the problem. Will addition help us solve this one too, or do we need to try something else? Pause to record your thinking in your guided notes. Adding the numbers would give us a sum that's greater than Nora's goal. But finding the difference between 9,000 and 6,432 shows us how many more punches she needs to do. So, subtraction makes the most sense here. Pause again to solve the word problem using the correct algorithm. This time, we needed to regroup across all place values. 1,000 for 10 hundreds, 100 for 10 tens, and 110 for 10 ones. Subtracting down each place value, we get a difference of 2,568 more punches. Great work! Your planning and problem-solving skills are getting stronger. Mia's got one more problem for us before the final challenge. Oh, I guess Mia solved this one already. It seems like she rushed through it though. Let's help check her work. Mia entered a push-up contest. She needs to do 18,250 push-ups in 1 year to earn first place. So far, she's done 2,479. Mia says she needs to do 20,729 more to win first. Does Mia's answer make sense? I don't think so. Mia only needs to do 18,250 push-ups to get first place, but 20,729 is more than that. Where did she go wrong? Pause to find the correct answer using an algorithm. Then, you can use that to help you find Mia's mistake. What was Mia's mistake? She added the numbers instead of subtracting to find the difference. So, what should her answer be? 15,771 more push-ups. Hey, you're a lot closer to your goal than we thought, Mia. All right, it's challenge time. Complete it, and the addition and subtraction badge is yours. 3 teams traveled to the National Martial Arts Tournament. Team A traveled 3,487 miles. Team B traveled 1,863 miles. And Team C traveled 2,965 miles. The teams reported a total of 6,105 miles. Use an algorithm to check their work. If the total is wrong, find and explain their mistake. How many more miles do they need to reach 15,000? Time to put these algorithms to work. Solve the challenge in your guided notes and you'll become a challenge champion. Since we're finding total miles traveled, we can check the team's math using the addition algorithm. After adding and regrouping ones, tens, and hundreds, we get a total of 8,315 miles. The teams reported 6,105 miles, so they made a mistake somewhere. What do you notice about their work? They didn't regroup. Exactly. To find the correct total, we had to regroup 10 ones into 1 10, 21 tens into 2 hundreds and 1 10, and 23 hundreds into 2 thousands and 3 hundreds. Now, we figure out how many more miles the teams need to reach 15,000. Which operation do we use? Subtraction, because we need to find the difference between 15,000 and 8,315. Regrouping 1,000 for more hundreds, tens, and ones gives us 685. Then we regroup once more to get enough thousands and finish solving. That's 6,685 more miles. Way to go, challenge champions! You solved that problem with total focus and excellent precision. So, what have we learned today? We learned that understanding the story in a word problem can help you choose the correct operation to solve it. We can use the algorithms to solve multi-digit addition and subtraction word problems. And taking your time and showing your work can help you spot and fix mistakes when they happen. Congratulations! You've earned the addition and subtraction badge. To continue your training, be sure to complete the practice questions and extension activities that go with this lesson to practice solving multi-digit word problems. Once you've completed all the lessons for this unit and earned all the badges, you'll earn your yellow belt. So keep training hard. And remember, Math Masters, in math, as in training, progress comes with patience and practice. I'll see you next time!
Hey, hey.